Have you ever given thought to the intricate mechanics behind a simple gesture, such as lifting your morning coffee cup or waving to a friend across the street? These actions, as seemingly effortless as they appear, are powered by a complex system of muscles working in unison. Today we delve deeper to unravel the mystery behind these mighty movers of our bodies, examining their structural and functional classifications in greater detail. Muscles, those robust fibrous tissues that contract or expand to produce movement, can be divided into three types based on their structure: skeletal, cardiac, and smooth muscles. Each plays a unique and vital role in the orchestration of our bodily functions, whether conscious or subconscious. Let's start with the skeletal muscles, also known as striated muscles. These are the muscles that ripple beneath your skin, making you admire your biceps in the mirror. Characterized by their long, thread-like structure, these muscles are bound to the skeleton. They are voluntary muscles under our conscious control. Our every movement, be it walking, talking, or breaking into a spontaneous dance, is made possible by these muscles. Skeletal muscles work in pairs. When one contracts, the other relaxes, allowing for smooth, coordinated movement. Next, we shift our focus to the heart, that tireless engine in our chests, which is made up of cardiac muscles. While they share the striated appearance with skeletal muscles, are involuntary, operating without any conscious control. The heart continues to beat without us having to command it, pumping blood throughout the body. The cardiac muscles are unique in their structure, connected end to end, not side to side, creating a long, undulating chain that allows for the heart's rhythmic contractions. Finally, we move on to the smooth muscles. These are found lining the walls of various organs and structures, such as the esophagus, stomach, intestines, bronchi, uterus, urethra, and blood vessels. Unlike their striated counterparts, smooth muscles are involuntary. They contract and relax without us ever being aware of it, governing crucial automatic processes in our body. The propulsion of food through our digestive system, the regulation of blood flow through vessel constriction, and even the dilation of our pupils in different light conditions. All these tasks are performed flawlessly by our smooth muscles, without a moment's rest. Now, shifting gears to functional classification, muscles can be classified as agonists, antagonists, synergists, and fixators. Each has a specific role in movement. Agonists are the prime movers. They create the motion, like the biceps contracting to lift that coffee cup. Antagonists, on the other hand, work in opposition to the agonists. As the biceps contracts, the triceps relaxes. It's the perfect partnership. Synergists assist the agonists, lending a helping hand to ensure smooth and coordinated movements. For instance, while lifting a heavy box, various arm and shoulder muscles work together as synergists. Fixators provide stability, preventing unwanted movements and helping maintain posture. When you lift that coffee cup, fixators in the wrist and forearm stabilize the limb, allowing the hand to lift the cup smoothly. In a nutshell, our bodies are marvels of natural engineering, with different types of muscles: skeletal, cardiac, and smooth, each playing their unique roles. And within these categories, muscles function as agonists, antagonists, synergists, and fixators, working together to produce movement. So next time you wave to a friend or lift a cup of coffee, take a moment to appreciate the complex symphony of muscles that make it all possible. It's a fascinating world beneath the skin.